Paano ba maghanda ng music para sa isang DJ set? Okay, may sobrang gandang advice ako na napulot galing kay Phil ng Digital DJ Tips. Sinabi niya to sa akin almost 7 years ago. Basically, what you should do is you should bring twice as much music as you think you're going to need for your performance. So sabihin natin na 2 hours yung DJ set mo, make sure na meron kang dalang at least 4 hours worth of music para meron kang pwedeng pagpilian habang tumutugtog ka. In your case, meron kang dalawang sets na tig 2 hours, so 4 hours total yung playtime mo, magbaon ka ng 8 hours worth of music. I think this is very important, especially ngayon kung balak mo tumugtog gamit ng flash drives para hindi ka maubusan ng kanta. Pero at the same time kasi, kung magdadala ka ng sobrang daming music naman, mahirapan ka maghanap ng mga songs while you're DJing, di ba? So again, at a minimum, try to bring twice as much music as you think you're going to need. Kung 4 hours total yung playtime mo, magdala ka ng 8 hours worth of music as much as possible. Pero at the same time, hindi mo naman kailangan dalhin yung buong collection mo kasi you're gonna spend so much time preparing for it tapos hindi mo naman mapapatugtog lahat yun, di ba? Now, as you progress as a DJ, nagkaroon ka ng more experience gigging in front of people, nakatanggap ka ng mga requests, and that kind of thing, you'll get a feel for how much music you should be packing when you are playing these types of shows. Like with anything sa DJing, the more experience you have, the better and easier it actually becomes later on. Kasi yung nangyayari is, habang bago ka pa, syempre nangangapa pa tayo, we're not sure how to read the crowd, and all of this stuff comes with time. Yeah, the actual basics of DJing are very easy. You can learn them in a month, maybe even just a few weeks. Pero yung crowd reading, controlling the energy of the dance floor, knowing when to drop the big hits, knowing how to space out those big hits, all of these things come with time and experience. So wag tayo magmadali. Enjoy natin yung journey natin as new DJs. And let's just, roll with the punches. Sometimes there are gonna be some gigs that won't be as good as others. Normal lang yan. Even the best DJs, yung mga headliners natin, yung mga iniidolo natin, may mga times din na hindi masyadong okay yung mga set nila kasi minsan patay yung crowd or minsan nagkakamali or may technical issues. A lot of things can go wrong because, again, it's a live performance and that's what being on stage is like. And that's why, again, DJing is an art form. Don't let anyone tell you otherwise, okay?